Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another Lolita YouTubers collab. Okay, so this collab was made by Dodo the Extinct. This is their channel right here. They've made a few collabs before, and it's really awesome that they do that for us, and it's just great to be able to collectively do Lolita content in the form of video. So yeah, go check out their channel. They do Lolita things, and they've been in the fashion for a long time, so it's really cool to watch their stuff, so I definitely recommend checking them out. Okay, so I know that my coordinate isn't really like holiday like specific, but I tried to do holiday colors, like Christmas colors, green and red. Of course they don't match completely, but I wanted to do something simple but also colorful, so that's kind of what I'm doing. My blouse is from Innocent World, my dress is from Milk, and my head bow is from online somewhere. My friend got it for me for Christmas, so that's why I'm testing it out. I'm really appreciative. I think it's really cute. Okay, let's go into the questions that Dodo the Extinct gave us. So the first question is, do you have a favorite Christmas/holiday themed print? Off the top of my head, I did not, but I looked on Lollibrary to see if there were any that kind of made my little heart twinkle. And to be quite honest, there wasn't anything insane, like anything that was like, whoa, I really want that. There were some cute ones though that I put on a list, and I always just want to say the Kumya Kumya Christmas prints are really cute. They're just not my style, but I do think they're cute. They're just not my style. So things that might be a little bit more my style are things that I maybe would consider getting if given the opportunity. There was this heart-y Christmas OP that I think is just really cute, and like Christmas Carol, and like it's just very classic Christmas looking to me, so I really liked that one. I doubt that I would ever run into that, but I think it's really cute. And then there was Bunny Milk and Snow Strawberry JSK from Baby the Star Shine Bright, and I saw somebody on Instagram wear this and I thought it was super cute. Like the print was really cute. So it's not necessarily like Christmas themed, but it's winter and there's little bunnies ice skating on it, so I think it works and it's really cute. And then Baby the Star Shine Bright's Christmas Ornament OP, or maybe it's a JSK, I don't remember, but I think that's really cute too. So those would be like my favorite ones. They're not prints per se. I know that wasn't the question, was prints. One of them was a print, but the other ones weren't. Oh well. Okay, so the next one is number 2. Are there any Christmas holiday themed prints you don't like? And I looked this up too because I'm just don't really know that many Christmas themed prints. But besides that, there was this Alice and the Pirates dress called a Snowy Christmas Eve Mysterious Gift Napoleon JSK. Baby and Alice and the Pirates long names. I didn't care for that one. I don't really care for a lot of like the classic and gothic prints that Alice and the Pirate that they do, because I just I'm not really into prints all that much, and they're very like over the top, and I'm just not that type of person. I like simple stuff, so that's not that shocking. But I didn't care for that one, and that was Christmas themed, so that's what I put down there. What is a must-have item for Lolita in the winter months? And I would say leg warmers are really cute. They're very popular right now. Like loose socks and leg warmers are really cute and popular right now in like not necessarily in Lolita, but in a lot of like alternative fashion and like Harajuku fashion, and since gal fashion is becoming more popular, or like was more popular for a minute there, I'd say like there's a lot of that inspiration coming in, and I like wearing leg warmers with Lolita. I think it's really cute with old school stuff. So, and it keeps your legs warm. So. But also, a huge thing that I recommend if you do not have this and you are somebody who lives in a colder environment, please go to any store. Like honestly, like most stores have it. I got mine at Target. go look for fleece lined tights because they are a lifesaver. They keep your legs warm. They're not like insanely thick where it's like weirdly bulky or anything. It's just they're soft, they're really comfortable, and they're warm. So I recommend those. Number 4, what is your recommendation for a universal gift any Lolita would like to receive? I put a Gothic Lolita Bible / like any J fashion magazine that has Lolita in it, so like a Kara magazine or something like that. Gothic Lolita Bible isn't running anymore, but you can find them secondhand, and I think that's a really cute and nice gift because I think every Lolita likes them. Like every enthusiast about the fashion likes them from what I've seen. So, and I also put like find out like their favorite brand and then get like a headpiece or something like a novelty item from that brand, like a headband. Like Baby does those plastic headbands and like those plastic barrettes. Those I think are really nice because you usually can get them pretty cheap off like Closet Child for like $7 or something, or like $15, and it has like favorite brand on it. So I think that's like a nice gift, and then you can kind of fit it in with like everything. Like you don't even have to just wear Lolita with that, and you don't have to worry about like sizing and stuff either. So that's what I would recommend. And then the next question was number 5, personally, what would you as the Lolita love to receive as a gift? And I would say I'd love to receive everything I just said as a gift, to be honest. I think like if somebody was gonna ask me like Lolita specific, what do you want? I guess I would just say like head accessories or like, and if I'm not directly pointing to a specific item, like if I'm not like I want this bag from this store, like, you know, because I think that's kind of hard to do, to ask somebody to do, and I feel weird about doing that. Like I would say like a lot of things that I really want that are like more expensive and stuff, like beyond accessories, I don't want to ask for them as a gift because I just feel like it's too much to ask for personally. Like I just don't want somebody to buy me a whole Lolita dress unless it was like my Lolita friends who found something that was like very reasonably priced and they knew I would like, you know. I would not want to like directly be like, buy me this brand dress that's brand new, because I just don't feel comfortable doing that. But that is why I would say I would love a Gothic Lolita Bible, accessories like from Baby the Stretch and Bright, a tote bag or something like that. Like I think that those are really cute, or like even like a Baby the Stretch and Bright mug. That's really cool, so I'd say those. Number 6, what is your favorite Christmas holiday movie? My Christmas holiday movie that is my favorite, I have 2, and I would probably say Home Alone 2, because I love the New York City Christmas scene. Like I just think that that's just like very magical, and I really want to go to New York City in the Christmas time because I think it'd be really cool to see all of that. And then the second one would be Santa Claus is Coming to Town, the like stop motion animation, because I don't know, I've always liked that one. I always like Rudolph too, but I think that like Santa Claus is Coming to Town has like a better story than Rudolph. My little child self would be angry about that because I was like obsessed with Rudolph, but like, yeah. 7, describe your dream Christmas holiday meetup. I said like looking at Christmas lights, which is like a common Lolita meetup. I just haven't been able to do that this year. Our like Christmas meet that we did in our local comm was kind of like a drive for me, like 3-hour-ish, or not that long. It was like an hour and a half kind of drive, and it was kind of expensive for me and my friends to do, and I didn't want to drive all that way by myself, so I didn't get to attend that. But usually it seems like in the past for my comm, they've done like the zoo light kind of thing where like the zoo lights up their area. I don't know, I think that's like at least an American thing. The zoos like do a little light show thing. I don't know, but it would be really cool to do that. It would be really cool to go to like a historical I mentioned this in my Halloween collab, but it would be really cool to go to a historical museum site thing and do that with the Christmas time, because they usually do like a bunch of Christmas related activities that are like set in historical time periods, and I think that's really fun and cool. So probably that. And number 8, which is the last one, do you have a favorite Christmas holiday meetup memory? And I'm gonna be honest, no, because I only just recently started going to meetups, like in 2020 and then this year. Obviously it's not been as active because of COVID, but yeah, before that I wasn't really as active in the community. I didn't really get back into the I didn't even really get into the community till 2020. I mean, I wasn't really in it when I first started buying things in Lolita as a kid. So yeah, but I would say at the moment it would be the one that I did a little vlog of me and my friends, because that was really fun and cute, and that was in Lolita. So yeah. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and go watch everybody else's too, because it's part of a playlist down below. Yeah, thank you and have a good holiday. Bye.